Yo! NBA All-Star History. New cards are Pink Diamond Damian Lillard, Diamond Isaiah Thomas, Andre Drummond, Desmond Mason, Kyle Kuzma, and Isaiah Ryder. You get 6 cards. 7,500 VC, 13,125 MT for a single pack. 70,000 BC for a 10-pack box, 140,000 BC for a 20-pack box, and also we have a base packs. Oh man, it's so hard to make empty these days. We'll start with 3 base packs. Let's see if we can pull something. First pack of the day is, man, I can't even pull. Ooh, Bobby Portis Jr. a holo. I can't even pull an amethyst in this game. Second pack. Oh my goodness. An emerald. Mark Conlon. Quick sell that. Our last base pack, and then we can open a regular pack. 3 of those with MT and 2 of those with VC. Michael Porter Jr. I got this card. Yeah, I got this card already. Put this, send player to my auction. Okay. Okay. We can open 3 of these with MT and 2 of this with VC. Let's see. Come on, TK. Give me a shake, will you? First pack with MT. Oh my goodness. Why is Mason Jones pack answer so crap this year? I think I've opened about 360 plus now 50,000 MT, so about 410,000 MT without pulling even an amethyst. God. Oh my goodness, the Sapphire. Oh, Keldon Johnson and Franz Wagner. Okay, Franz Wagner. Oh no. Last pack with MT. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're not putting anything. Another Sapphire. LaMelo Ball. I think I got LaMelo Ball already. Quick sell. We can open packs with BC. We're spending all our MP and BC on this game without pulling anything. Oh my goodness. Cody Seller and Devin Vassell. Oh my god. TK, why is this pack so horrible? Oh no. Get 2 alley-oops. Get 2 alley-oop assists in the game with Julius Randle. Rap. Elevate. God. Well, you can get a free 10-pack box if you go to the agenda. Let's see. Oh no, not this one. Hello. Where is it? Oh, I'm not getting this. Player lock and wait, where is it? Study Mar, 3-point shot. Iron Claw, yeah, this one. NBA All-Star, you can get a free 10-pack box if you do this agenda. Number 1 is score 20 points in the game with a small forward 3 times. For Sapphire, Marcus Johnson. Get 250 points as assists and rebounds with 5 Suns player over multiple games. Ruby, Stephen Marbury. Get 250 points, assists and rebounds with Knicks player over multiple games. Ruby, Dick Barnett. Get 25 rebounds in the game. Rap. Score 35 points with a player in a game. Rap. Let's make 100 3-pointers over multiple games. You can rap. Make 100 dunks over multiple games. Rap. 25 4-pointers over multiple clutch time game. Rap. Well, you can do this with doing offline games for a free 10 pack AllStar Box. Let's see, man, I didn't put anything. Should I stop just opening packs? Man, just wasting empty. So I wasted about 410,000 empty without pulling even an amethyst. Pink Diamond Damian Lillard, 99 offense, 89 defense, A plus, A plus, A, BB, A plus, A minus, A plus, overall A plus. 85 shot, no, not shot tendency, why we're looking shot tendency. Driving layup 96, 38 post fade, post shoot 30, 42 post control, draw ball 96, no shot 94, mid-range shot 94, 3-point shot, free throws 95, 25, standing dunk, driving by dunk is 90, passing 96, ball handle, pass IQ is 96, 95 pass accuracy, defense 49, block, steals 82, 83, perimeter defense 75, interior defense, rebounding offensive 69, defensive 69, athleticism 93, speed was 93, 90, agility, verticals 97, 66 strength, 97 stamina, 95 hustle, mental 80, pass perception, defensive consistency is 80, 98, offensive consistency, help defense IQ is 80, shot IQ 60, badges, 811 badges, posterizer, deadeye, limits range, handles 4 days, mini marksman, shifty shooter, ankle assassin, lightning launch, 9, gold badges, float game, bailout, break starter, dimer, unblockable, layout mix master, physical finisher, set shot specialist, bronze strong handle, expressive, alpha dog. Let's see how much people are betting for Damian Lillard. No one is opening packs. How about this one? Ooh, we got Isaiah Thomas 400,000 MT. Andre Drummond 66,000 MT. Desmond Mason 100,000 MT. Kyle Kuzma 100,000 MT, only one. Desmond Mason 99,950 MT. Oh man, we didn't pull anything. My goodness. Wait, no one's opening packs for Damian Lillard. Nothing. Isaiah Thomas 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Just 7. 20 minutes have left till the pack drops, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Oh, wow, what's happening with the pack odds lately? Kyle Kuzma, only one Kyle Kuzma. Oh yeah. Desmond Mason, only one. I think these cards have been put by 2K. My god, pack odds are so crap this year.